Every step, breath, climb. Every moment matters. Every second counts. In the search for inspiration. To capture the perfect form. We're with you, embarking on a new era in manufacturing. With our Laser S manufacturing solution, the versatile machining system enables new ways of working to answer the toughest texturing challenges. With a high-speed 3D scanning system and wider marking field, you can create even more. Smart Patch technology optimizes your work for maximum performance. The soul of the machine, a unique laser head to achieve immense complexity. Moving fast to a simplified manufacturing process. You're always connected. And with expertise available from our academy, you'll accomplish even the most challenging projects. Enabling the execution of the most complex parts while the finest grains are achieved. Giving you the power to turn inspiration into perfectly designed, flawlessly produced reality. Laser S. Innovative texturing. Accelerated productivity.